Alright guys, so Motor Toys, we're out at Showtime. 1717 Typhon on 4S. We are going to race this beautiful CLS550 AMG. This gentleman has some work done. Obviously a beautiful car. Probably, what do you make it for horsepower? Over 400 for sure, right?
Yeah, it comes stock before. I don't know if it's got any more.
Yeah, so minimum 400 horsepower. You know, fast car's a fast car, but this is the type of stuff I find cool. Type of stuff you see out here at Showtime is really, really neat. This is a beautiful Mercedes. He's probably running, you know, I don't know, mid to low 8s. So that's quick. That'll be a good run for the Typhon on half power.
That was insane. I could not expect that was insane.
Now this personally I think is the best part. Got some custom horn blasters in here. These things are super loud. You can hear them going all the way down the track.
Yeah, that caught us off guard.
Huge tank, 2 compressors, horns up in the front. Guys, this thing is sick. Let's go see what they do. Guys, so we ran another AMG out here. Well, actually it wasn't an AMG, it was just a CLS550. Ran him on 4S, let off a little early, ran a 7.8 at 72. I think he ran like an 8.6. I'll double check on that. So just some fun runs tonight, guys, with these cars out here on 4S. You know, there's some decent competition, but